Guys, I am Jasmeet, and in this video we are going to discuss how can you enforce strong passwords in WordPress. So here we are on the test website, and the first thing that I want to show you is the option that allows you to use a weak password in WordPress. So for this, what we are going to do is we are going to head over to users right here and click profile. Now once you reach your profile, what you are going to do is you need to scroll down until you come across this account management section, right? Then this new password option and the basically this new password option and the button is the set new password. On clicking this button, what it will do is it will generate a strong password for you. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to select the strong password. We're going to delete it and we are going to keep a weak password, which is just the admin, right? So you can see this password is very weak right here. It clearly says very weak, and you see a new option appear, which is the confirm password, with a checkbox right in front of it, that on selecting which you will be able to use this weak password, which is admin, right? Now let me scroll down and you will see this update profile button is deactivated right now, and when I will select this option, you will see it will activate, and on clicking update profile, what it will do is it will let me select a weak password, and this is what you don't want. Now what we are going to do is we will be using the solid security plugin for removing this option and enforcing a strong password policy on our website, on this test website basically. Okay, now the version of the solid security plugin that I'm using is the free version. This feature is available in the free version. A link to it is in the description box below. This is the plugin that I personally use on most of our websites, and it is the free version, right? If you want the pro version, that is available as well. Link to everything is in the description box below. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to deselect this, and you can clearly see I have already installed and set up the solid security plugin. Now before we begin, another thing that I want to let you know is that when you install and set up a solid security plugin, it gives you this option during the onboarding process where it lets you activate this feature. Now what we had done was we have deselected this option because we wanted to show you how you can do this in case you have missed it. Okay, so now what we are going to show you is how you can activate this option. Now for this, what you need to do is you will have to click the security option in the sidebar, right? And it will show you the settings option. Click the settings option and it will take you to the global settings and a bunch of options on the side. Here what you will have to do is you will have to go to the user groups, right? In the next step, what you will have to do is you will have to head over to the administrators, right? Now you need to scroll down and you will see the option password requirements with the option to enforce strong passwords. You need to select this option right here and click save. Right, once you have saved this, what this does is it enforces a strong password policy for administrators. Now in case you want to do this for authors, then the option is right here. You can do this for authors and click save again. For subscribers, the same option under password requirements, strong password is right here, save. For contributors, the same option under password requirements, the strong password, select and save. Editors, it's the same thing. And for any other user role, you can go right here, select strong password and save. Now what we need to do next is we need to check if this strong password policy has been enforced or not. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to head over to users right here, or profile right here, I'm sorry. Now we need to scroll down and here is the set new password option. We'll click this again, delete it, type in admin, and you can see that option for that option to basically select the weak password is gone, and this button won't activate until and unless we wouldn't select a strong password, right? So this is the setting for you that will allow you to enforce a strong password policy across your WordPress website. This is a very easy plugin to use. This is a very simple tutorial. In case you have any queries regarding this tutorial, feel free to comment down below. The link to the free plugin is in the description box below. In case you want to use the pro version, link to it is in the description box below. Let me know if you need help with this. Okay, I will definitely try and help.